Good morning, guys. This is the second lecture of Hindi language. So I'm going to tell how to write the sign of vowels of Hindi language, or in Hindi it is known as sound word की मात्राएं. Okay. So let's begin. Okay. Now, this is a sign of A. This is a sign of A. This is a sign of E. This is a sign of E. This is a sign of U. And this is a sign of U. This is a sign of Re. This is a sign of A. This is a sign of I. And this is a sign of O. And this is a sign of O. Now these are some signs of vowels of Hindi alphabet. Okay. So now suppose that whenever we see a sign like this, then it is pronounced as A. A. Now, in this word we can say that calm. Now this is a sign of E, or you can also say it is as choti e or a small e, a small e, and this is the sign of big E. This is a sign of a small u, and this is the sign of big U. Okay. So these are some signs. Okay. Now once again we repeat the sign A, E, U, Re, A, I, O, O. Okay. So these are some sign of this. And okay. So again it is a sign of A, it is a sign of E, and it is a sign of E. It is a sign of U, and it is a sign of U. It is a sign of Re. It is a sign of A. It is a sign of I. It is a sign of O. It is a sign of O. Now we have also two letters. There are some sign of two letters which are used in very common terms. Now suppose that let me write. Okay, let me write. Now we have seen yesterday that there is a sign of something like this. Yesterday we have something like ang. Now suppose now this sign can be written as like this on the above line. We only put this dot, and there is another word we have also started seen like this. Yesterday we have seen like two dots like that, and this sign becomes like this. So we rarely use these terms, so I had never written that. Then this is a sign of ang, and this is a sign of ah. Okay, let me erase these terms. Okay. So we have seen that the sign of A, a small e, big E, a small oo, big oo, re, a, I, o, ow. Now in this lecture I'm going to pronounce some sign. Like suppose that this is a word called calm. So whenever we have to pronounce, whenever we see the sign like this, we sounds like ah, like calm. Okay. So it is a sign of e. So we किस लिए. So we can pronounce this like किस लिए. Now it is a sign of big E, like kheer, and it is a sign of U. So we can pronounce it like gulab. It is a sign of U, bhool, re, trid. Okay. A, kesh. I, hai. O, chor. O, chaukhut. Later when I teach about consonants, you will understand how where this ka, ma came from. So later we will learn. I think in third lecture we will study how to write these terms. Okay. So here we have seen the sign of this a, e, u, re, a, I, o, o. Okay. So in this video, in this topic, I am going to teach how to write sign of these terms. Like if you have to write sign of a, then you can if you write the sign of a, you can write sign like this. Okay, so this is a sign of a, or in English it is known as T, not T. It appears like T. Okay, let me erase. Now I'm going to write sign of E. How to write this sign of E? Right? How to write sign of E? Now we have seen E appears like this. Okay, a small e. It is a small e. So suppose that you have to write sign of like this. So you can write like this. So this is a sign of E. There here some gap is a gap should be appears. So it is a sign of E. Now okay. Now suppose I'm going to tell how to write sign of. I'm going to tell how to write sign of body E. Now if you have to write body E, then you can write it like this. Now this is body E. So if you have to write the sign of body E, then you can write it like this, and here it is like this. It is a sign of like this. Okay, I'm going to erase it. Okay. Now I'm going to tell how to write sign of U. U. So you can write sign of U like this. U. You can write sign of like U. 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 Okay. So again I'm going to tell how to sign up big U, or you can say that U. Now if you have to write the sign of U, then you can sign U like this. Like this. Okay. And it is a sign of U. Okay. Now I'm going to tell how to write sign of Re. Re. Re, you can I'm going to tell how to sign of Re. I'm going to tell how to write sign of Re. Re, you can sign like this. Like this. So it is a sign of Re. Re. Okay. Now I'm going to tell how to write sign of A. Sorry. How to sign of A. So how to sign of A. How to write sign of A. So if you have to sign it, like you can sign it like this. Like this. On the above of any word. Like this. And this line is just like this. Okay. You can write sign of like this. Okay. Okay. Next I'm going to tell how to write sign of I. How to write sign of I. So how to write sign of I. So for writing this sign you can write like this. Double reverse 6. It is sign like double reverse 6. Okay. So it is a sign of I. Now I'm going to again erase it. Okay. Again I'm going to write sign of O. O. So this is O. This is O. So if you have to write sign of O, you can sign like this. You can write sign like this. O. It is sign of O. Okay. Again I'm going to Again I'm going to write the sign of O. Now if you have to write sign of O, how to write sign of O? So you can write sign of O like this. So it is a sign of ow. Ow. It is a sign of ow. Okay. Now let me erase it. I told about. And these two terms are hardly used. These two words are hardly used, so I'm not writing. So I'm going to explain this. I'm going to explain this also. So I'm going to explain this also. Okay. Suppose that you have to write the sign of ang. 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 Now, if I have to write the sign of ang, ang, ang. So you can write it like, you can put a dot on the word, a dot, what we call dot. You can dot on the word, and this means that it is a sign of ang. So I'm gonna to erase it. Now if you have to write sign of ah, then you can write sign of ah, like two dots after any words you can write two dots. So this is the sign of ah. It is a sign of ah. Okay. So let me clear it. So it is the second lecture of Hindi language. I hope you understand the full language. Okay. Again I'm going to repeat. So this is a, e, u, re, a, I, o, ow. Okay. So do practice. You will learn the basic of Hindi language. Okay. So do practice. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.